For the repair of the boiler programmer from Saacke, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 220-volt DC for the programmer, photocell amplifier LFS1, flame eye detector, for indicator lights, 2 lamps, for single switch, 1 double switch and an auxiliary relay for amplifier flame detector. We begin the test by covering the photocell and activating the switch responsible for the operation of the programmer. Next, we activate the double switch that resets the programmer, at which point the pre-purge indicator light illuminates. After 1 minute, the pre-purge indicator light turns off, and the end-up purge indicator light turns on. Subsequently, we operate the single switch to simulate the ignition sequence, and the ignition time indicator light turns on. We then uncover the photocell and position it to detect light. Once the photocell detects light and sends a signal to the programmer, the main fire indicator light illuminates. After 5 seconds, the ignition fire light turns off, and the control release indicator light turns on. The programmer then remains in this operational state, just as it would if the boiler were starting in real time. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the boiler programmer is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.